we are going to take all of you on a flight and journey through the wonderful and colorful world of birds. We hope you'll